Many of you say like this, I do swimming, I do river rafting, I do skydiving every year. Guys, this is not the way. This is absolutely incorrect. Well guys, if I say I go swimming every Sunday, well, it is totally false, it is totally fake. I do not even know how to swim. But yes, if I say I go swimming, it is absolutely correct sentence. Yes, many of you would not be aware about it. Many of you say like this, I do swimming, all right. I do river rafting, I do skydiving every year, all right. So guys, this is not the way. This is absolutely incorrect. You never do these sports. You always go these sports. You got my point? Let me tell you what are those words with which you can use only go. All right, you will not use do. I go swimming, I go trekking, I go river rafting, I go skydiving, I go skiing. Guys, any sports word which ends with ing, okay, which has a gerund into it, you are going to use I go swimming. All right, you are always going to say go, not do. Got it? I have written few more words of those activities where ing comes in the end, like hiking, snowboarding, kayaking, paragliding. So you would just use go. I've repeated it 2-3 times. So make sure you are not going to make this mistake. Now I will tell you where you can place do. With which activity you can place do, not go. Well guys, now look at the examples of do, right? Even the sun has also come out to learn from me. All right, let's get started. I do aerobics. I do exercise. I do yoga. I do kung fu. You got my point, guys? With these activities, you are going to place do. With these activities, you will add do, not go. Okay, and with swimming, with river rafting, with snowboarding, okay, with words where they end with ing, there you will use go, not do. Well guys, if you believe that this video is worth sharing, please share this video, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon also and like it too. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you in another video. Take care. Bye-bye.